Hey guys, welcome back to AV Creators. Today we are going to show you some more tags in HTML. To make a website is a collection of web pages, and we know how to make a web page, but how do we link few web pages to make a website? That's what we are going to see in this video today, as well as another small tag HR, which is used for the beautification of the website. Now let me just type some sample code and then I'll explain it to you. So guys, I have typed some sentences for like our previous video. It's the same paragraph. Now as we showed you in the last video, I have added certain styles to both the documents similar to what we showed in the last video. So underline, bold, color, background color. I added some formatting. Now let me show you another tag to add styling to your web page. So this goes by the name HR, and HR stands for horizontal, and this creates a horizontal line on the screen. So it's an empty tag, so it doesn't have any opening or closing. So now I have typed HR before the heading and HR after the heading. So once we open the document in the browser, you will see the difference. In the other document, let me just have it after the heading to show you the difference, like how you can add lines the way you want. So now that I have added this, let's move on to linking, but before that let me save the document, and so then we'll get on with the linking. So I have saved this document, both the documents, and now let's get on with the linking. So for linking, we use a tag named ahref, okay, and is equal to, and in quotes, in double quotes, you have to type the exact name of the other document which you want to link, and the other document has to be saved as .html, else this won't work. So I have named mine as linked page.html, as you can see. So it is case sensitive, so make sure you type it properly. This is also popularly called hyperlinking. The H stands for that, hyperlink reference, and I close the quotes and I will close this tag. So this is a container tag, and between ahref and the name and the letter A of A, we have to type what we want as its display name. So let me say more information, okay, and then when we click on this more information, you will see we will go to the linked page. We can also add styles to this, which I'll show later. For now, let's just focus on the linking. So now let me open it in the browser and show you how it has been linked. So I have saved this document and I have opened both the documents. Now as you can see, this is the first document. You can see there's a background color, there is bold, underline, everything, and as you can see, these white lines which run through from the left to the right of the page it's the HR tag. We put it before and after the heading, hence it creates like a banner for the heading. So let's see the second page which we have linked. Now I'm just going to open it and show you, and later we'll open it through this href tag we used. So here we had just put an HR after the heading, so it's just there after the heading, and you can see there is other editing as well. So now let me close this page, and now here the more information that we showed, the more information a tag which we used. Now let me click and see we are back, we are up to the second page, and as I have closed the other tab, it's not in the other tab, it's in the same tab, and if you click back, it still goes back to the first page. This is the same way as it is used on Google and other sites and search engines, where you see a link, you click on it, and then the next time you see it, it's often purple. So see here, it has turned purple after we have visited it, and you can see this is the way in which we can link web pages, and it's really simple. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and make sure to leave a comment on what you want us to do next. Thank you.